Everybody plan to run.
Business.
Research it there for ICT.
Oh yes.
It go make your yield plenty.
Not less.
Prosperity, no poverty.
Plenty property, yes.
Working on the land. Labor.
Not laziness.
Lender ants ways.
Lender ants ways. About it no two ways.
And if hunger they come at all,
Who cares? Cause buffer day, plenty day. Cause buffer day, even in rainy day. Cause buffer day, plenty day. Cause buffer day, even in rainy days. Good ideas and better jobs and best quality of life. Money no be palava, it no be wahala.
I have heard many times that the Malaysians came to learn how to grow oil palm from here. Yet they have gone ahead to become a global economic force. Likewise, the South Koreans. It is well known that at the time of independence, we have higher GDP than they did. So what happened?
Do you know what happened? They went to school, learned from others, adapted technology and their best practices, while we continue to bicker among ourselves.
Exactly my point. The bickering must stop. You must reconcile with him. That's the only way to move this family forward.
Yeah. For progress to happen, the older generation must be willing to lend their wisdom to the knowledge of the new generation.
Profound. I know it will be difficult with your stubborn father, but we must give it a try. This is the least we can do.
You know what I admire about you the most? Your big heart and perseverance.
Research it there for ICT.
We shall overcome.
Oh yes.
It go make your yield plenty.
Not less. It no be palava, it no be wahala.
Irregular migration has become a major canker, with Europe being the major target lately. These irregular migrants, mostly from developing countries, use several unapproved routes by land, sea and air, regardless of the dangers and consequences. The path is rough and the future uncertain. Yet, nothing deters the people from embarking on the dangerous journey. These are people with high hopes of hitting the jackpot as soon as they reach their destination.
These stories break my heart. Can somebody tell these people to stay at home and use their obvious courage, energy, and resources to become successful?
Well, somebody must tell them that sometimes children need to touch fire.
Touch fire? Why let them touch fire if you can show them fire and say, this is fire, do not touch it?
Soft. See? Because we don't make them suffer these days, they have become weak.
Would you call somebody who has the nerve to enter any of these boats weak? I would say desperate. And you know one of the causes? People like you.
The moment I saw the cat fruit, I knew there was a sucker punch somewhere in the corner.
Yes. Elders like you who do not know how to devolve power. Hand over to the next generation and clothe them in your wisdom.
That submarine attack, sudden, shattering. I do not even know why I'm being attacked.
Well, take it on the chin. You say you are tough. Kofi is here. He came in yesterday.
The cat is out of the bag. The real agenda is revealed. Great strategy. Yakuma will be proud. So, Kofi came yesterday and has decided not to come and greet. Hey, why didn't he answer?
He came at 9:30 p.m. 9:30. You were fast gone, asleep.
Woman, are you trying to say something?
Who their car fits, let them wear it. Plus, he and Yakuma left for the farm at dawn.
Kofi came yesterday and has left for the farm without much as a whisper. They have started digging my grave, even though I'm not dead. And you know something about it. You are part of it.
Thank you. Thank you. You've summarized it nicely for me. The problem is, old men like you, who hold on to power all the way to their graves.
That's buffer day, plenty day. That's buffer day, even in rainy days.
Hey!
Good ideas and better jobs and best quality of life. Money no be pala.
Hey, who said I brought this for you?
Solutions.
Join the conversation today. Like, comment, and share. Okay, so MTN mobile money is the solution. Good. I'll get Nana to make a few phone calls. I'll be right back, okay?
You're so efficient.
Oh, thank you. I'll be back.
I love the upgrade. This is going to be the go-to shop for African wear in the next 5 years.
Amen. Everything will be functional next week. And the next task is to make sure you get a good marketing strategy. We need a wow factor for this. Seriously, we do.
I love your passion, Amma. You're the best.
Anything worth doing is worth doing right. That's the key to success.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
This is amazing. I mean, I love the pricing and everything that's been put there. It's just great.
Exactly.
That's good.
Then bring it to the second page. You can see all that information.
You mean I can triple my output in the 3 years?
Yes, Papa. With a minimal cost. You can use the same number of laborers. You just use them differently this time around. Kofi and I are ready to help you.
It will be like old times again.
Yes.
The two of you will be my lieutenants again.
Yes, Papa.
Adubia, what do you think? The boys want me to teach them.
Good. That's very smart of them. One never stops learning. You can learn a few things yourself.
Oh, come on. At my age, what can they teach me?
Really?
Something just hit me. You call that His Eminence?
Oh, yes, but only in jest for his controlling behavior.
That is what we must exploit. You know, he always wants to be in control, right?
Mm-hmm.
We must pull the strings behind the scenes and give him all the control.
You mean to make him a puppet?
Please. I didn't say
Oh, you
that.
said it. Oh, you said it. Okay, fine, let's go. Make that a puppet, okay?
Well, now that we have established command, Kofi, what is the way forward?
Papa, you have done a great job. For the past 30 years, you have grown this farm from 2 hectares to 40 hectares. It is this farm, together with Mom, that has allowed you to put a roof over our heads and also raise us. It has also created countless jobs for many people in this village. Papa, if Ghana is known for its good cocoa, you are one of them.
It's been an absolute pleasure as always.
Likewise, my dear. Say hi to your son for me.
I'm sure will. Good. He will be on vacation soon, so that wouldn't be a problem at all. Thank you.
You're welcome.
We are growing.
How so?
Come on. I know you're eating for 2 now. But just remember to eat your fruits and vegetables.
Okay.
I hear they are very good for the baby's skin and hair.
Okay.
Plus, don't forget to get yourself pampered every now and then. Allow Kofi to do some massaging every now and then. And don't forget to throw your legs on the pillow as much as you can.
Okay.
And lastly, please allow Kofi to do the thing. Shh. Come on, I hear it helps the baby to swim well in the stomach so that they can grow big. It is very necessary. Please do.
I'll try.
Please do.
Papa, you're doing a great job. But apart from those of us here and the people in this village, nobody knows. It is time to restore you to your real glory.
You are now talking.
Papa, the world would only know you through your documents. Information about your good deeds, figures. The good news is that we already have that. All we have to do is to put it together. Yao and myself, we are ready to serve under you, Papa. Under you, to make sure that happens.
Carry on, carry on. This is it all. Everything is here. Splendid.
Hey.
Hey, honey. Hey, what are you up to?
Oh, nothing much. Just reading about infant nutrition. You know, I want to make sure our baby has the optimum environment to thrive. The quality of the genes is unquestionable.
So now you're a genetic engineer, aren't you?
No, I'm just a concerned mother, darling.
I know. I know you'll be a great mom. No. You are a great mother. I like being your baby.
Oh, you're so sweet, babes. How did it go?
Oh, splendid. Finally, he's met his meter.
Naughty boy.
Look, all we had to do was to make him think he's in charge, even though he wasn't. And give and take.
I'll say shrewd. But I'm happy you guys cracked it.
Yao. Yeah, brah. Baby, hold on. Yao, brah. Yeah. Your sister-in-law.
Hey, Obapa. It is saying.
Oh, Yemira, Adomenkria.
I'm sorry for keeping Kofi away. I will dispatch him the next hour.
No worries. I'm happy for you guys.
Thank you, dear. Thank you.
Is that my daughter-in-law on the line?
Take care. That was a great speech you gave in there. You nailed it.
No, Yao. We nailed it. You see, if you know your enemy and you know yourself, you need not fear the results of 100 battles. But if you know your enemy and you don't know yourself, for every victory won, you'll suffer defeat.
Small boys are young.
afternoon.
Are you alright? I've been waiting for over an hour. That has become the new standard. What's up with you?
I am sorry.
Kofi, what is wrong with you? Customers keep coming in and going without meeting you. You are losing focus.
I said I'm sorry. What have I done with all these attacks?
Kofi, Shahan Naro, customer Benemun. Obiare Nyiha. Kofi, I am worried about you. You are losing interest in this business.
Why would you say that? Do you know where I'm coming from?
Solutions?
Exactly. They are helping me with my online sales thing.
Have you forgotten who you are talking to? The Kofi fixation. Kofi, why are you wasting your time chasing? You are losing your value. What has gotten into you? Soon you lose your business.
Values. What is wrong with wanting something? And for your information, I didn't even meet Kofi in the office. It was Amma who was helping me with everything.
Kofi, Amma, Kofi, Amma, there's nothing wrong wanting something unless that something is for someone else and that you're trying to steal.
Oh, are you now calling me a thief? You know what? I've had enough of your pontification and your holier than thou attitude. You know what? You can leave when you're ready to. Yeah, I have the man.
Hey, imagine all your rabbi. Bibi abe shenimu. Shamari chire. Menyewe kanya sasama uboefu. Well, with me, you won't get any flattery. Only wise counsel. Take it or leave it.
How have you done it all these years? Keeping his domineering nature in check, yet running a harmonious and a very happy home, raising the two of us, and yet keeping everything together.
Trade secret. Remember Sun Tzu, the Chinese general? The Art of War, that book.
Mom, you made me read that book before I went to secondary school. How uncanny though. I was just quoting it to Yakuma.
Good. Then you remember, all warfare is based on deception. When we are able to attack, we must seem unable. And when we are near, we must seem far away.
And when far away, we must let him think we are near.
Exactly.
Holding out base to entice our enemies. Mom!
Kofi, life is war.
Oh, I'm telling Papa.
Mom. Hey, Kofi. Do
you just call him enemy of them.
If you do.
Join the conversation today. Like, comment, and share.
Welcome to the art of war.
Oh.